Welcome back to Walking Dog Fishing!
Oh, he's over!
Alright, good morning. Welcome back. Now, we're up the creek. Got the boys. Look, I'm the only cool one today. I'm the only one in an inflatable. Everyone's left me. So I got Lee.
Waiting for you to blow it up.
Waiting for him to blow it up. We've got Blue, Dale, and bass season. So we're back at it. The inflatables are out. It's been I wouldn't say a bad morning so far. I think we've all got fish other than Blue.
Dale's up to 4 or 5.
Yeah, and Dale's killing it. So yeah, we'll crack into the session and hope you enjoy.
I'd really like to see at least 20 Queenslanders at the GC.
Yeah, they just mean like I'll get back from the UK and I won't be able to take. I won't take as much leave as I usually do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's got one.
Pump him. He's not bad. Finally, got one on the jig spinner. On the plastics. Oh, what is that?
Hey? Yella? No? Bass?
No, yeah, it's a yella.
Yella? No.
That's a yella. Yeah, Gary.
Good one too. Hey?
Hey.
He's coming out with the goods.
Hey. Oh, Shenleys.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, first yellow on the sup. Not bad. On the Shanley's 2.5 Classic, the jig spinner. It's not bad, not bad.
Hashtag pro staff, hashtag Spono, hashtag Insta famous.
Hashtag the big dog.
Hashtag alpha.
Hashtag wonky.
Hashtag wonky. Oh, hopefully this gets a good release. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, I was like, hold him. Oh, I'm getting tired. All right, Lee, get the camera. We're on. We found a hot bite. They're oxygenated. Is that the word I'm looking for? Water is doing all right. Oh yeah. Oh, he's good, man.
That is a good fish.
Oh no.
That is a good fish. That's like 45. That's a good fish.
Yeah. Hey. 45 centimeters. Creek Fury. Try and get my ass around. We have quite literally hit this hot bite. Oh, insane. Like, there's nothing that you can beat. Like, Dale's just, oh yeah. What is happening? What is actually happening, Dale? Wait, I don't need a hobie, I just get towed by fish.
Oh, I got done.
Oh, you got done.
I got done.
Wait.
Oh, so deep inside.
Ah! I just got so wet. I am a moist boy.
My moist boy.
A moist boy. Another one. Woo. Oh, off you go.
I can't believe we're having a bite like this and there's one camera between us.
Yeah,
Amateurs.
Betas.
Clearly beta move.
Not an amateur, I'm a beta. Alright, fishcraft going.
Bullshit.
That is a yellow.
That's a good one.
I'm gonna need a net over here, I think.
Hold on, I'm coming. Net boy! Da-da-da. Net boys! I'm on, boys!
That is a chunk, man.
Yeah, that's a real good bass, yellow. Net boy!
Net boy.
Oh shit. Ooh. Right.
Net boy.
Get him here.
Oh, where is it?
I don't know.
Come on, let you get him.
Yep.
Oh yeah. That
Dude.
is a chunk.
Holy. What? What? Dude,
Wow.
that is hectic. That is well over 50.
Wow. Thought it felt a bit different.
I was like, you were getting smoked. Oh, that was like the weakest take. This dude just like rolled up on it, just grabbed hold of it, and then was like, oh, there's hooks on that. Yeah.
This thing's got jack trebles on it, and I'm missing 2 off the bat.
Oh.
That's a fatty.
Yeah.
That's a fatty.
Oh.
That's a good one.
Oh. How?
The softest take, and it's a tank.
Yeah. Blue, I might need your measuring for this bad boy.
You got him?
Look at that. That is a proper fatty. Wait, put your tail back this way. Look at that. That is a proper creek fatty.
Coming over, man.
Oh. Oh, where's that 50? Oh,
Where'd he go?
48. 48 centimetres of creek fury. Off you go, bud. So close to that magic 50. That was weird. Like he probably one of the biggest I've caught today, and he just didn't fight that hard. He was just like, oh yeah, no, I'm off. I don't really not just talk about on that one. A few others that I fought a bit harder. Oh, Blues just cast at the danger zone.
Oh, I just cast it over you. Oh no, we're in trouble here. Oh no, we're in trouble here. It's gonna go over your rod.
I can't. Oh. I gotta deal with the back first. Hold on, if I turn this way.
It's around your rod holder, it's around your net.
Whoa,
On the back of your sock. Oh, I'm coming in, I'll get it off.
Dale's just giving up on catching bass. He's catching me.
I've caught us up, Lord. I hope
Oh, good. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'm saying the same thing back here.
Please don't sink me.
I'm trying not to. I'm free.
Sweet. Oh, well, Dale tries to sink me. Here's a good bass. It'd be a high 40.
If I wanted you sunk, you'd be sunk.
Well guys, that's it for this one. I hope you really enjoyed. I can't begin to explain how good today was. Multiple double hookups, triple hookups. I think there was a quad hookup at one point, like absolute brilliant. And to see that quality of fish in schools in these little systems is just absolutely phenomenal. So as always, hey, like, subscribe, hit me up. Definitely the standout today were crankbaits. I did get a few on plastic, but the bigger fish definitely, those schooled fish came on plastics. On crankbaits, sorry. So it was definitely a crankbait bite. Not sure why, that's just sort of the way the day was. So yeah, as always, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you around in the next one. Cheers.